Hey guys, it's Greg with the Fix My Bleak channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So on this video, I've got this adjustable height desk. This thing is really cool. It's made by Tresanti. There's a link in the description where you can find this thing and purchase it online. So be sure and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So I'll be going over all the positive aspects of this desk, all the negative aspects of this desk, everything in between, going over the specs on it. So let's get into the video, you guys. Let's check this out. Okay, so this is the adjustable height desk by Tresanti, and we like these things so much that we ended up actually getting two of these. So we picked these up from Costco, but you can find them on Amazon. There is a link in the description, and this is what they look like. I've got them both adjusted to the same height. I've got my workstation set up right there, and this is the other desk right here. And so like you see, they're both the white, they both got the glass desktop. These desks come in right around 75 pounds each, so they are a well-built, hefty desk. So they're definitely a very solid desk. Assembly time on these desks, I'd give it probably anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. Obviously, they're large pieces. They come with the tools that are required pretty much, and there's not a ton to put together on these. You put the top on, you put the legs on, and there's just not a lot of parts to have to put together. So 20 to 30 minute assembly time, very simple, very straightforward. The instructions were in English, a lot of big pictures, so that was not a problem. Alright you guys, here's a little bit closer up look at the desk. Here's the little function panel built right into the desk here. Here's your up feature, down feature, your presets. And then over here on the side, got your little USB ports. You've got your desk lock feature right there. There's your drawer space available. Alright you guys, here's what the desk looks like all set up with the computer and the monitor on it. Alright you guys, so to give you an idea, let's look at dimensions on this desk. So this desk is 47.5 inches wide. So you got 47.5 inches from side to side. So depth, you're looking at almost 25 inches, a little bit over 24 inches. The thickness, so your drawer is 2 3/4 inches. See how much drawer space we have there. You have about 13 inches of usable space in the drawer there. Alright you guys, so let's get an idea on what our height adjustments are. This is currently lowered all the way down. You got your little buttons over here on the right, and it's got some pre-programmed settings too. Height 1, height 2, height 3, height 4. You got your up and down arrows here. I'll do a close-up on that in a minute. Currently the lowest setting is 27 inches off the ground, the bottom of the desk. Let's raise it up, see what we got. There we go. Let's make sure your cables have plenty of slack. Gotta raise my tape measure up here a little bit. That thing's going really high. Still going. Okay, that's as high as we will go. as high as the desk goes. It's 44.5 inches. 44.5 inches high. So you basically have a standing workstation at this point, which is the idea. But yeah, 44.5 inches high. And like I say, just make sure your cables have plenty of slack. If you have a computer workstation, do your cable management or have somebody come in and do the cable management so that the cables move with the desktop. But yeah, 44.5 inches all the way down to 27, I think, is where we're at the bottom. So that's pretty impressive. Alright you guys, so let's start the positives on this desk. So the first obvious positive to me is this thing is just really sturdy. That's the one thing I love about this. You're not going to just run into this thing and tip it over or anything. You're not going to break this desk. It's got a weight limit of 100 pounds you can put on this thing. Like, I'm not sure why you'd want to put that much weight on here, but you can go ahead and stack the monitors on this thing. It'll still raise and lower without an issue. So yeah, sturdy. Alright you guys, so another big positive about this desk is you've got your presets built in over here on the panel. So you've got the height presets and you've got your lifts right here in the panel. So that's another positive, and you've also got your height lock right here on the side, so you can lock it so you don't accidentally hit your height adjustments and it just starts raising and lowering by itself, if you remember to use the height lock. Alright you guys, so another big positive is you've got USB ports built right into the side of this desk, and you've also got wireless charging for your phone built right into the top of this thing. So, I mean, pretty cool. Alright, so yet another positive for this desk is you've got the dry erase glass desktop on here. This is just really cool. It looks really sleek and modern as well, and hey, I love it. That's one of the selling points for it. Alright you guys, so let's start the negatives on this desk right here. So my first negative I'm going to hit it for is the price. So right now it's going around the $500 mark, and it just seems like a little bit steep. We picked these up at Costco for like, I think maybe $3.99 or something, but that was on sale. And so just shop around a little bit for these. I'll put a link in the description. They're going on Amazon right now for around the $500 mark, and it just seems like it's a little bit steep. And so like I say, just shop around and you'll find them on sale every once in a while, and if you do, that's the time to pick them up. Alright you guys, so another possible negative for some people. For me it wasn't a deal breaker, but with this big bar going across right here, you can't take like a file cabinet and shove it under this desk anywhere. So for some people that might be a deal breaker, but otherwise you have to put your file cabinet on one end or the other. Can't put it underneath with that great big bar right in the way. Guys, so another possible negative on this is there's no built-in cable management, and I kind of did my own cable management on the second desk over here, and I can show you. I just used some zip ties and some cable loom and just kind of made it look pretty. But yeah, nothing built in to actually hold your cables up and move with your desk and stuff like that. So no cable management. Alright you guys, so another negative I didn't realize till I was sitting here doing on call one night, and so you have this, you know, wireless mouse, the laser mouse, sitting here working, and you move it on your glass top, and all of a sudden you're like, what, battery's dead? What's going on? Nothing's happening. And it's like, oh wait, you got a glass top. It's not going to work on a glass top. So you have to have a mouse pad or something under the laser mouse, otherwise it is not going to work on this glass top. So just something to be aware of. If you don't have something under a laser mouse, you're not going to have anything happen there. Alright, now before I bought this, you know, I had gone through all the reviews online. I'd gone and looked at everything, you know, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. Some people had complained about the motor being loud. Both of these motors are the exact same pitch and frequency and everything, and we use the heck out of the things. So I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer, let you be the judge, see what you think. It doesn't bother me. I don't think it's loud. I'll bring the camera in, see what you think. Okay guys, here we go with the motor loudness test. Let's see if this is really loud. Is it loud? Help me, I've fallen down and I can't reach my desk. I don't know, you guys. Is that loud? Maybe to somebody with a raging hangover. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so not really a negative or positive. This is kind of one of those in-between things to just, mention, where you're sitting here working and you've got these awesome functions built right into the desk. You can be working and moving your mouse and whatever, and all of a sudden you'll hit this button and inadvertently and the desk will just start moving. So they fix that by building in a little lock button on the side. You can just hit the side button to lock the desk and keep it from moving up and down by accident. Otherwise, like I've been sitting there working and accidentally put something on the up arrow and all of a sudden the desk will just start moving up and I'm like, yeah, what the hell's going on, And so just remember to use your lock button. Alright, you guys, so I hope this video has been really helpful for you. This desk is awesome. Like, I love this thing. There are some negatives on it. If you can get past the few negatives about this desk, then I definitely would give this thing 2 thumbs up. It's been great for our family. We love it. We use it every day, and I definitely would highly recommend this desk. Thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out as a new creator. And be sure and check out these other awesome videos, you guys. I'll catch you later.